very much in my heart to tell someone. So yeah, I just spitted it to my audience. So I'm back with another episode of Weekly Review, and I know I haven't uploaded this last week because I just procrastinated to record the whole week because I haven't achieved anything, and I was so feared to face the camera. That's for it for the last week why I didn't upload, and I will now. Let's just begin with what I have done in the second week of April. So for the most part, I have been like last week of April was like a roller coaster for me because I have got my money from my college of 10,000 rupees that I worked for video editing, and I was pretty good. Have you heard about the news of the Bitcoin tariff? The tariff that applied tariff. Yeah, so in that phase, I have also earned like about 20 to 30 USD from it, because when the market dipped down, like it went from like BTC went from 85k to 72k, and I just bought Ethereum of 5,000 because I had left that much only amount. And after that, the gym is pretty good. I have hit it 2 times leg, 2 times shoulder, and one times chest, tricep, back, chest, tricep, shoulder, yeah, bicep. So it's just for all. And I have started reading the book Principles, and I think I will quit it because it's so it's not boring, but it's not quite aligned with my goal right now. Or maybe I will complete it this month. Let me see, because I don't have plan. I have read Your Next 5 Moves, and it was pretty good. And I read the book Your Next 5 Step, Your Next 5 Move, and it's quite good while reading only the index. So yeah, maybe I will read that and complete in this week, or maybe I will just read that book only. So let's talk about my routine only. So I haven't been waking up this morning pretty average. I have woken up 4 days this week, and today I woke up at 8 am. Yeah, not 7, 8. I just are late to wake up on my daily basis. Yeah, so from tomorrow I will woke up 7 am. Journaling is not pretty good. I have only done like 4 days in this week. Yeah, so that's not good either. So I have told you like the plan for my becoming I have found the Joseph editing course, and now I'm very much mad to buy that course. I just relying on this course solely. Like I'm ready to invest my $180 into it right now. So yeah, I need to earn almost 220 USD to buy that course. Yeah, let's see what will happen. I need either I will buy the course in this month or next month maybe, or if I couldn't buy the course this week, and then I will surely joining a college, because I don't know why, but I was feeling I am feeling FOMO right now. I don't know why I am feeling FOMO of college. I don't know why. Either I was just what I can say, like imagining a girlfriend running away from me, like this is only I was confused right now. But I am sad for no having girlfriend. I was like very confused to hearing from me. So yeah, let's see what will happen. Today I will start outreaching also. Like first I will make 10 different offers, and after that I will apply it to my agency. Yeah, so I have told you about the pencil designers. Like they want to video edit and they are willing to pay a limited fees. Today they messaged me and they asked me to like, can you do it for 200 rupees, and like hell nah, you didn't respond me like in a week, and you expect me to edit for you in that cheap. Like, no, they just reacted thumbs up and okay. I like damn, I'm very rude. Like I have changed so much. I can literally joke on them in their faces. Till now, I have edited a reel for an internship of 10 to 15k, and I have edited it so much. Not edited it so much, but I use Premiere and After Effects both to edit those videos. Like it is showing 11 hours right now to render it. Like I like, what the hell, man? It's 11 hours and I need to give the video, submit the sample till 10 p.m. and it's already 7 p.m. Yeah, it's pretty shit crazy. Like I need to render, but I just screen recorded the video and submitted it. So yeah, let's see what will happen. Like the reference that I got is way much less quality than I have edited. So yeah, maybe I will get selected, maybe I will not. Let's see what will happen the next
Does your
week.
day begin and end with taking pills for your acidity? Even after changing your diet, eating on time, and avoiding spicy food, the burning, bloating, and the discomfort keep coming back. What about your sleep? You lie down to rest, but your stomach feels heavy, your mind is restless, and you wake up feeling more tired. You are not alone. And it's not your fault. Most people only treat the symptoms when the real problem lies in the gut. Your gut is not just responsible for digestion, it controls your energy, immunity, mood, hormones, and yes, even your sleep. When your gut is inflamed or out of balance, no medicine, diet, or sleep routine will fix the problem in the long run. Hello, my name is Shiva. I'm an internationally certified gut health expert. Over the last 10 years, I have helped more than 12,000 people in reversing their chronic health issues, including symptoms like acidity, bloating, sleep problems, anxiety, mood swings, fatigue, and hormonal imbalances naturally without a single medicine, simply by resetting their gut. I invite you to my Gut Reset workshop. In these 2-hour powerful online sessions, you will learn how to fix the root cause of your health issues and how to reduce acidity, bloating, and stomach discomfort by healing the gut, and how to naturally improve your sleep, energy, and overall well-being. And the best part, you can join for just ₹49. That's less than the price of a plate of samosa, right? If you are tired of taking pills every day and still not feeling better, click the link below and register now for the Gut Reset workshop and become part of Heal India mission. This one day session can change your health forever. I'll see you inside.
Next week or next day, whenever this is, probably they have seen it and responded me, and here I am recording the video. That's for all for this week, maybe, because nothing dramatical or unexceptional happened to me in this week. So let's talk about the next week. The goal, easy, going to gym 6 days. The same routine I have followed this week, I have also followed it. Waking up at 7, following monk mode, easy. Not easy, but I will try. And outreach daily 25 people. Yeah, I need to learn how to outreach daily 25 people. And journal, cause like the main reason I don't journal, because like my body is so tired, I don't even like to watch or edit any, I watch and do any work after 11 p.m. I want to just sleep so badly. Like when I sleep, when I lay on the bed, my brain is super active. It doesn't shut down or at the right time. It shut down like in 3 a.m. to 4 p.m. Like, man, what the fuck? And I need to wake up at 7 a.m. Then like, nah, man, I need to take a rest, and I just switch off the alarm and go on again. Like that was happening to me in the last week. One day I woke up till morning to not go sleep, but then after I got sleep and wake up at 1 a.m. then my routine got better. Yeah, so let me see what I can do. Like today I also watch a movie. Yes, my movie weekend, and the rest of the goal is pretty easy. Try to earn 250 USD till this week. I am only short about 70 USD. I will try. I have messaged Discord people, but they didn't respond. The Discord users are very premium client, but they also want premium edits and they don't reply at all, or they find someone else better than me. That's some probability. So yeah, let's see what will happen. Should will I will earn or not it. Yeah, so the next part is I'm again getting distracted by porn. Like I'm not thinking about porn everything, but my mind is constantly thinking of a girl, imaginary girl that will be my wife or girlfriend, whatever. But right now it doesn't focus on success. It is focusing on them. Like where will your future wife? It's being by other dudes and all that shit that Insta feed me, like, and I was so distracted by this fucking thought. Like, man, what the fuck, shut the fuck up and just do your damn work. This thing is very, very much in my heart to tell someone, so yeah, I just put it into my Yeah, pretty much for most of the week I didn't watch porn, but the last day I watched it. But my urges are literally at the peak. I couldn't work for a minute without thinking of. I'm not becoming introvert, but I am becoming something worse than myself, worse version of me. I'm not becoming weak. I am becoming worse. So yeah, I will try to be stronger and better than myself. Yeah, that's all for this week. My last video got 3 views. That's a pretty much achievement for me. And so yeah, in this video, if you're watching, make sure to subscribe right now so that you can be a part of my journey. And comment down your next week goal, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more update on my journey. We will be completing the work and becoming successful for our families. Let's go, guys. Let's do this the next day again and again till we become unstoppable. Ace out.